Welcome to Best Sellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the top products in every category. I'm delighted to have you here today. And I can't wait to guide you through today's exciting countdown. In today's session, we'll be diving into a category that might not always be in the spotlight, but is crucial for every vehicle owner: brake fluids. Yes, you heard that right. We'll be exploring the best-selling brake fluids available on Amazon, revealing the top choices that car enthusiasts and everyday drivers swear by. Without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the finest brake fluids that are topping the charts. Stay tuned as we count down from number 5 to the coveted number 1 spot, highlighting what makes each product a must-have for your vehicle. Let's get started. Introducing our 5th top-selling brake fluid on Amazon, the Lucas Oil 10826 brake fluid, 1 quart. This isn't just any brake fluid. It's a high-quality blend of polyethylene glycol ethers and specialized additives. Designed for excellence, it ensures peak performance for your vehicle's brake system. What sets Lucas Oil 10826 apart? For starters, it is compatible with all brake system rubber components and other brake fluids. This means you can mix it with what's already in your system without worry. It's crafted to prevent seal hardening or softening, ensuring your brakes remain responsive and reliable under various conditions. Protection against rust and corrosion is a cornerstone of its formulation, safeguarding your brake components for the long haul. The fluid's superior lubricity means smoother operation, reducing wear and tear and enhancing the longevity of your brake system. In summary, Lucas Oil 10826 is not just about meeting standards, it's about exceeding them. Elevate your braking performance with this remarkable blend that ensures safety, durability, and optimal function. Don't settle for less when it comes to your vehicle's brakes. Choose Lucas Oil 10826 because excellence is in the details. Next on our countdown, securing the number 4 spot for best-selling brake fluids on Amazon, is the BOSCH ESI 632N brake fluid. This isn't just any brake fluid, it's an engineering marvel, a testament to Bosch's commitment to excellence. Let's delve into the details that make BOSCH ESI 632 a standout choice. High compatibility is its hallmark, seamlessly integrating as a direct replacement for DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 fluids. Imagine a fluid so versatile it fits almost any braking system with ease. Now, that's convenience and reliability wrapped in 1 quart. But there's more. With its extended service interval, ESI, BOSCH ESI 632N outlasts its competitors by leaps and bounds. It endures 100% longer than DOT3, 50% longer than DOT4, and even 10% longer than DOT 5.1. This translates to fewer changes, less hassle, and more time on the road with confidence. The fluid doesn't just meet standards, it exceeds them, boasting a wet boiling point of approximately 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and maintaining optimal viscosity even at -40 degrees Celsius. These figures aren't just numbers. They signify top-tier performance under extreme conditions. In terms of longevity, while standard brake fluids require a change every 2 years, BOSCH ESI 6 extends this interval to a remarkable 3 years. It's engineered for those who demand more from their vehicles and their brake fluids. Universal fit ensures that BOSCH ESI 632N is ready to enhance the braking performance of virtually any vehicle, providing unmatched reliability and efficiency. In conclusion, BOSCH ESI 632N isn't just a brake fluid, it's a revolution in brake maintenance. For those who seek unparalleled quality and performance, this is your go-to choice. Experience the difference with BOSCH, where innovation meets the road. As we dive into the top 3 of our best-selling brake fluids on Amazon, let me introduce you to a product that stands out for its exceptional performance and reliability, the Quicksilver DOT brake fluid. Why is Quicksilver DOT brake fluid so extraordinary? Let's talk about its impressive boiling points. With a wet boiling point of 336 degrees Fahrenheit and a dry boiling point of 521 degrees Fahrenheit, it surpasses the common standards for DOT4 brake fluids. This means it can handle extreme temperatures, ensuring your braking system remains uncompromised even under the most demanding conditions. But there's more to this fluid than just high heat tolerance. Quicksilver DOT brake fluid also offers superior corrosion protection for your brake components. This means you can trust it to keep your system in top shape, reducing wear and tear, and prolonging the life of your brakes. When it comes to compatibility, Quicksilver is a perfect match for all DOT4 manufacturer recommendations. It's also fully compatible with DOT3 and DOT4 applications, making it a versatile choice for various vehicles. This fluid doesn't just meet the standards, it exceeds them, ensuring your vehicle gets the best care possible. In essence, Quicksilver brake fluid is engineered for those who demand reliability, safety, and performance. It's not just a brake fluid, it's peace of mind in a bottle. Elevate your driving experience with the unmatched quality of Quicksilver brake fluid. Your brakes deserve nothing less than the best. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling brake fluids on Amazon? Don't pump the brakes now. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on more smooth content. As we edge closer to the pinnacle of our top-selling brake fluids on Amazon, let's delve into our number 2 spot, the AGS Sil-Glyde silicone-based brake assembly lubricant. This isn't just any brake lubricant, it's a game-changer for your vehicle's brake assembly. First and foremost, AGS Sil-Glyde provides comprehensive protection for your entire brake assembly. It's expertly crafted to ensure compatibility with both plastic and rubber components, such as EPDM and nitrile, effectively safeguarding various elements with precision and care. Now let's talk about performance. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with noise-free, smooth brake operations. With Sil-Glyde, you can experience the serenity of noise-free brake installations, making disassembly a breeze and enhancing your vehicle's maintenance process without any hassle. One of the most impressive features of Sil-Glyde is its ability to banish disc brake squeal. Yes, you heard that right. Say goodbye to that annoying squeal for good. This lubricant works diligently to eliminate noise, ensure smooth operations, and significantly enhance your driving experience. But the benefits don't stop there. AGS Sil-Glyde offers ultimate protection against corrosion and rust. It elevates the longevity of your brake parts, dampening vibrations between contact points and assuring extended, robust performance. This means you can trust your brakes to function optimally, even in the harshest conditions. Speaking of harsh conditions, Sil-Glyde is resilient and reliable. It's a moisture-proof and heat-resistant solution capable of withstanding temperatures over 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius. This ensures your vehicle's optimal functionality, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. In essence, the premium silicone-based formula of AGS Sil-Glyde, packed in a convenient 4 ounces tube, offers unmatched efficiency and protection. Trust Sil-Glyde to ensure the peak performance and longevity of your brake assembly components. Elevate your braking experience with AGS Sil-Glyde. It's not just a lubricant, it's a revolution in brake maintenance, crafted for those who demand nothing but the best. Finally, we've arrived at the pinnacle of our countdown, the number 1 best-selling brake fluid on Amazon, the Prestone AS401 synthetic brake fluid. This isn't just a brake fluid, it's a masterclass in engineering, designed to deliver unparalleled safety and performance. Let's dive into what makes Prestone AS401 a cut above the rest. First and foremost, it provides an extra margin of safety, crucial during extreme braking conditions. When you need reliability the most, Prestone is there, ensuring your brakes respond with precision. The formula is a sophisticated mix of polyglycol ethers, meticulously designed to ensure that hot brake system operations do not produce dangerous vapor. This means your braking system remains robust and effective, even under intense heat. Whether you have ABS, disc, or drum brake systems, Prestone AS401 is your perfect companion. It delivers braking power exactly when you need it, preventing that dreaded spongy pedal feel. Imagine pressing down on your brakes and experiencing immediate, firm, and reliable response every single time. Let's talk about boiling points. Both wet and dry boiling points of Prestone AS401 exceed the minimum government standards. This isn't just meeting the bar, it's setting a new standard. Such superior boiling points ensure that your brake fluid remains effective, even in the harshest of conditions, providing consistent performance and peace of mind. In essence, Prestone AS401 synthetic brake fluid is the epitome of excellence. It's not just about meeting safety standards, it's about exceeding them, ensuring that every drive, every stop, and every moment behind the wheel is backed by the best in brake fluid technology. So for those who demand the best, for those who refuse to compromise, And for those who understand that safety and performance go hand in hand, Prestone AS401 is your ultimate choice. Elevate your braking experience with the unmatched quality of Prestone, where every drop counts toward perfection. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling brake fluids on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.